Yes,
I'm
sorry.
Jeff Veis from Hewlett Packard Enterprise and work within the software division of Hewlett Packard. It's about a $4 billion division, and we are a strategic partner with Denodo, and we're pleased to be here today.
Wonderful. There are some very exciting changes going on at HP Enterprise. Could you tell us a little bit about that, Jeff?
Yes, it's a dynamic industry, and it's dynamic what is occurring at Hewlett Packard Enterprise. Most people are familiar with that Witten split the company, separating the PC and printer portion from the rest of the company. There have been two other actions. One is to spin and merge our enterprise services business with CSC,
Right.
and then recently, about a month ago, the decision was made to spin merge the software business.
Right.
So we're joining up with a prominent British software company named Micro Focus. They've been in business for over nearly 2 decades and are a leading provider of infrastructure software. And that deal is scheduled to close in the late summer.
Okay.
And then when that's done, we will be the 6th largest pure play software company.
Fantastic. You know, we've been working with different parts of HP, so definitely the software part is very important. But taking a view from the software business, what do you think are some of the big trends that impact both HP software, if I might call it that, and how you see that playing together with working with Denodo?
Well, data is the currency of the idea economy, and inside of HP software, we're really putting analytics and the ability to leverage data at the core of virtually everything we do, whether it's in our security business, our app development business, our ITOM, or IT operations management business, and of course, in the group I happen to sit in, which is our Vertica flagship product around an analytics database.
Right.
And what we're seeing today, it's about a couple key things. One, it's speed and scale. And that will not go away for a long time, if ever.
Yes.
And what is seen as fast and high performance today is becoming the new norm.
Right.
And with that, we're seeing a need for that people are really, really not buying into one size fits all, one
Right.
technology fits all. We see these technology trends coming around open source or relational databases or analytics or cloud, and they're all important trends, but they add to the tapestry of solutions. And the net is a belief that they're the right tool for the right job.
Right.
And now with that, it means you're going to have diversity. You're going to have the ability to have different tools and different data repositories across an organization. And in the past, perhaps that was seen as maybe a bad thing.
Right.
And a lot of focus to have one size fits all.
Right.
Get it in one place. Well, our view is contra to that.
Right.
And that's why we're strategically partnering with Denodo. Our view is you want to have that diversity of data types, data sources, and tools to leverage them.
Yeah.
But with that, you need the ability at times and many times to bring that holistic view.
Right.
Bring that ability to allow different organizations be able to get the data they need without being burdened down and dragged down by the idiosyncrasies of each different data store and each different tool.
Right.
And that's why Denodo and their ability to bring in that data semantic layer, that ability to virtualize the data and deliver that is so key. So we see it as an essential element to the next generation data-driven enterprise.
Yeah. Jeff, you said it very well. Today we saw a lot of our customers, several of them joint customers that use HP software as well as Denodo, talk about the idea of a logical data warehouse or a data abstraction layer. Heterogeneity is definitely here to stay. You talked about fast and high performance and scale. One of the other things we heard a lot today in this conference is the idea of fast in terms of time to market and how quickly you can get value out to the customers. And so data virtualization is also sort of, in a sense, adding that to the high performance and scale that HP provides in the software space, I would say.
Well, I think you're talking about a key thing, which is, the conventional wisdom is you do one thing, you get kind of an opposite unintended reaction. And so conventional wisdom might be that a data virtualization layer in itself may simplify and provide ease of use, but you're going to pay a penalty in performance.
Right.
And that's one aspect that we're very excited about with Denodo, that in addition to being a data source to Denodo, we can also have a secondary role that we're working on and have delivered to the market, and that is functioning as a data cache.
Right. Right.
And that just hits our wheelhouse because we are an analytic database. Vertica is a columnar database, and it's designed for speed.
Correct.
The ability to deliver that data and insight at scale and at the fastest speeds in the industry. And that's why Facebook and Uber and AT&T uses us.
Right.
Now, what we focus on is to be able to have that speed, and what is really innovative about Denodo is, of course, we can deliver rapidly our own organic data to Denodo, but when you have other data sources that won't be named, but maybe relational data sources or legacy data sources, the fact that Vertica can cooperate with Denodo and serve as a data cache to be able to address those other slow points so that you get really your cake and eat it too. You get the ability to have that data virtualization layer that enables data to be accessed and used in a much more constructive manner, but also to be able to beef up, if you will, those slow spots by utilizing an innovative data cache means that you get that at speeds and performance you wouldn't get organically. That kind of 1-2 punch, I think, positions Denodo in a rarefied air and can really set the stage for a next generation of computing. And we're excited to be partnering with you.
Yeah. All great points on the solution. We're very happy to work with HP here. And as a final thought, how has it been to partner with Denodo, your experience at the conference, anything you'd like to share with our online audience here?
Well, we were in the early stages of the conference, but the energy's here. Maybe more importantly, the engagement is here. I am seeing, some companies focus on their technology. And what I'm sensing here that, of course, Denodo looks at its technology, but it seems to really connect with its customers. It certainly connects with its partners. And I've already seen that in the first couple hours here, that you're seeing customers ask probing questions. You're seeing customers getting up and not just endorsing you, but sharing their experience.
Right.
So that are the raw ingredients of making a technology that's not just interesting, but that matters.
Absolutely.
And so I think it shows that Denodo has a bold strategy, but also can back it up with the ability to execute. So good stuff so far, and I think hopefully it'll continue for the rest of the day.
Well, I'm talking here to Jeff Veis of HPE Enterprise, their software division. I want to thank Jeff as well as thank HP for sponsoring this conference and being our partner. And I think together we bring great stuff to the customers that we share. So thank you again, Jeff.
Well, thank you very much.